If your baby's heel cords are tight and you're wondering if there's anything that you can do about it, then you're watching the right video. Because in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 simple, quick stretches that you can do for your baby to help your baby stretch out those heel cords so that your baby does not end up becoming a toe walker where they're standing on their tippy toes or walking on their tippy toes. My name is Jared Gordon. During my 25-year career as a pediatric physical therapist, I've treated a lot of babies whose heel cords were tight, and I was able to show their parents how to stretch them and make them be able to get down off of the tippy toes so that they can walk with their feet flat. Before we get into the stretches, I'm going to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe to the video and hit that notification bell, ding, so that you can be notified whenever I drop a new video, okay? So the first activity I want you to do, the first stretch I want you to do is what's called ankle circles. So I want you to sit with your baby in your lap, cradled in your arms, and you will take one leg at a time and just hold your baby's leg. If you bend the knee, bend baby's ankle, hold baby's leg around the lower part of baby's leg in one hand, take your other hand and hold baby's ankle and just move the ankle around in smooth, small circles. As you're doing this, you want to make sure that your baby is comfortable, your baby is well fed, calm, relaxed. You guys can do this while you're watching television and just start making small, smooth circles with baby's ankle just to start improving that mobility. The next exercise or the next stretch that you can do would be to have baby lying on the couch next to you. Take one leg at a time, bring one leg up, and take baby's foot and gently bring the toes upwards as if you're bringing the toes to touch her knee. Support her lower leg with your hand and gently bring the toes upwards. In the beginning, you might not get a whole lot of movement with this stretch. If you find that your baby starts crying or fussing or trying to roll over and get out of the position, stop the stretch because it means that it is too much for her. But you won't, at any point, if you lower the leg back down, you will take the tension, some of the tension off of her muscles and let her be able to endure the stretch. So that's the second stretch. The third and final stretch is a sitting leg stretch where you would position yourself sitting on the couch with baby sitting cradled in your arms facing away from your body. Now in this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to stretch baby's right heel cords. So you take your right hand, take your right index finger, put that index finger directly behind baby's knee. What that'll do is once you raise the leg up, this will cause baby's knee to automatically bend. The calf muscle, which runs along the back of baby's legs, goes from behind her heel here, coming up above the knee. And what you want to do is relax that muscle and make it nice and soft. So when I bend baby's knee, notice the muscle is nice and soft. This part of the leg will be floppy. That's step 1. Step 2 will be for you to use your left hand, take baby's right foot and just bend the knee, the toes rather, upwards as if you're trying to get the toe to touch the knee. You want to do this as far as baby's tightness will allow you to go. And then the step 3 would be for you to gradually straighten baby's lower leg while keeping the toes, as you can see, the toes are still pointed upwards, and now you're actually stretching. I like this position because baby is cradled in your arms, and if she starts to fuss, you can do a couple of things. 1, you can rock her from side to side to make her relax. You can sing to her, talk to her, but you can also bend the knee a little bit just to take some of the tension off and then try again. You want to make sure that you hold the stretch for about, I would say, 30 seconds to 1 minute. As baby progresses and gains a little bit of mobility in her ankles, you can increase that time to 2 to 3 minutes. Okay? You want to also switch and do the other side. Do the same thing on the other side. Again, Bend the knee to cause the calf muscle to relax. Use your other hand. Bring the toes upwards as if you're bringing the toe to touch the knee, and then gradually straighten the knee while keeping the toe upright. Now, that's your 3 stretches. I hope you've learned something from this video. Please drop a comment and let me know. Step one, right? Step 2. Stretch those tight heel cords. Up. 3. Yeah. So those were 3 quick stretches that you can do at home with your baby at any point. Now, I want to ask you to drop a comment and let me know which of these stretches worked best for your baby. I'll ask you to, once again, subscribe to the channel, like this video if you found it informative, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Remember, a hug is a quiet I love you, so please, hug your babies every day. I'll talk to you soon.